Hi everyone, I'm Young Forest. Today I will start a new series about self-mock technique interview. In this series, I will solve a LeetCode algorithm problem every day, and did do that as an interview view, and I will record it for myself and you. Mm. In fact, I recorded the first episode yesterday, but I failed to record my voice. Today I will present this as my first episode. Thank you. I will take the daily problem as my target problem. Let's start. Mm, Here, I think. Uh, today's problem is a medium problem. I will try to resolve it in 20 minutes. Let's start. Give an integer with the public. That uh, um, in a real interview, we need to clarify the data scope with the interviewer, but in LeetCode, it gave us clearly, so we can take it directly. Hmm. So the n is about uh, 10,000. So we need algorithm less than uh, n squared. Mm. It's about n log n or n squared to n, I think. Let's begin from the brute force solution. In, uh, we can first, for example, calculate all the uh, square number, and verify it is the sum of it, sum of square. Uh, it's the time complexity is, I think, is about we need to verify everything, and score it to try. In fact, we can try every squares and subtract it until 0. If we cannot, it's yeah. This is our optimize the solution. Solution try to iterate squares from from max to 1 and subtract until 0. Um, because one is a square number, so it have to become 0 at the end. So let's start our code. Okay, the time key I think is here. And so let's start for int I squared and I need to ceiling it. Ceiling. I, mm, our answer is here. And subtract I, uh, the squares and plus answer, the return answer. Yes. Mm. If n until 0 or break, yes, that's it, I think. Let's run it directly. Host okay on their ceiling. This function doesn't find the real name for this function. In many situations, we don't have to remember every API. We just need to search it if we need that. Seal? Yes, I think it's seal. Hopes. Hopes. Unfortunately, I think this algorithm is wrong because for 12 we need to subtract 4 at first instead of none. Yeah, for my solution, it will be 9 plus 1 and plus 1 and plus 1. So it's bigger than this. So we may need to correct that. Let's delete that and begin from start. Maybe we need to iterate every every square and find the maximum answer. In fact, my last solution is a greedy algorithm. The result shows that it's not correct. So the grid is not work. Does not work. So let's try the dynamic programming one. For example, the DPI don't equals maximum DPI plus J for every J in range G range squared. I think that's it. So let's start. We need to we need to define the DP array so we can calculate every item from bottom to the top. Yeah. We need to define it at the maximum max integer. So we can update it to minimum 1 and plus 1, I think, and the dp0 is 1 is 0 because we don't need it. Let's return dpn. The time complexity is I think it's n plus squared n. So it's about for 10,000. It's about yeah. And the space complexity is on because we unlocked the DP array. So let's run it again. Oops. That's because we can for a perfect square number we just need one subtract. Hopes. I think. Yeah, let's try to print the element to debug. This time I believe my algorithm is right, but the code somewhere in the code is wrong. Oops. Okay, it's minimal. It's a yeah, it's a uh, observe bugs. Yeah, shame on me. Yeah, the first exam is right and the second is right. So let's submit it. Oops. Yes, we did it. We can we can find that our algorithm is not the best one. Some improvement I can think about is we don't need to calculate every DP because some DP is mm, is useless. Uh, uh, Useless. Let's check the code I read before. Maybe yeah, it's about 2 years ago. Yeah, the runtime is better than than now. I want to figure out its why. Oops. Yeah, I think the yeah it's different because it's from it's update the the later element of uh, instead of and now I is update current item use the later the before item. Yeah, I think we are done now. Uh, uh, it's my first episode of this series. I, I I'm a little nervous, but and I'm not satisfied mm, my um, my voice, but I will publish this episode anyway because I think no one will watch it. Yeah. Thank you. I will continue to work on this series every day because I want to improve my technical interview skills uh, through this practice because if you want to do that too, you can practice with me together. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.